Managing diabetes naturally is all about making smart lifestyle choices. First, focus on your diet. Incorporate plenty of whole foods like vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These help stabilize blood sugar levels. Don't forget about fiber. Foods rich in fiber, like beans and oats, can slow down sugar absorption. Next, stay active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or dancing, movement helps your body use insulin more effectively. Hydration is key too. Drinking water instead of sugary drinks can make a big difference. And let's not overlook stress management. Practices like meditation or deep breathing can lower cortisol levels, which is beneficial for blood sugar control. Lastly, consider natural supplements like cinnamon or berberine, which may help improve insulin sensitivity. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health.